Aleks U Show, 300 seconds of life-changing wisdom on health, happiness, purpose, and success. Inspiring people with inspiring stories around the globe, just for you, only on Aleks U. We are on Vancouver Island, and I have a very, very special person right next to me. So you better get your pen and paper out to get some excellent notes, because this fellow right next to me has experience in welding, farming, powder coating, and real estate unmatched. Len, thank you for being on the show.
Thank you. My wife was the farmer, and she would move into town, so she always wanted a quarter of land and a John Deere tractor. So that's
Off you started.
Off we started, yeah. Work hard. Don't leave it till the next day. Get it done today, because tomorrow there'll be twice as much.
After farming was welding, right? For the government?
Yeah.
Okay. What was that experience like, working for the government?
Laid back, right? You had to use your head because there was nobody else to turn to, right? When you're the only welder, then you had to figure it out. The government's, when you worked there, it was my thoughts were hire or retire, and that wasn't for me. The government paid you enough to keep you, not enough to save. Right? So the only way it would work is if I went on my own.
Yeah.
I was always good enough to be number 2, but never number 1.
Out there in the government.
Out there.
Yeah.
So to be number 1, I had to go on my own. We weren't used to laying around.
Yeah.
We always had to do something. Work, right? And there was the opportunity. There was no welding shop in Ladysmith, so the opportunity was there.
To start a business.
To start a business.
But you told me you started out of nothing.
I did, yeah.
And was that scary?
You
had a family to raise.
But I mean, quitting the government to start a business when you're used to a regular paycheck, that was the scary. Just threw the shingle out and what's that saying? If you build it, they will come.
All right, that's a good one.
You treat people the way you like to be treated.
In business.
In business, yeah.
In welding.
In business. Well, any business, right? As long as you're fair. And when you tell somebody you're going to do it, you do it. We were getting powder coating done here already. There was a sign on the gate for sale. We were designed a picnic table for BC Parks, had to get it powder coated. Where are you going to go? This was the only one around. So, at 50 cents on the dollar, we bought it. Mortgaged the house to buy it. I don't know if it's bred in or what, because it's like when work starts to slow up, you get in a panic mode, because you can see the end and there's no work coming, so then you have to be motivated to pound the streets to get it to come in. The first thing I do is figure out the situation and jump into it, right, with both feet, and go hard and figure it out. In farming, when you have to sell grain, if it's at $9, and in your mind, if you think $9 will pay the bills and put money in the bank, then you sell it. And then you carry on to the next year. But if you wait and it drops to $7 and you still have those bills to pay, you know where I'm coming from? So
you're in trouble.
You're in trouble. You don't dwell on I wished I'd have waited. We got friends that did that, right?
Yeah.
Could have sold at 9, waited till 10, went to 7.50.
Never went to 10.
No, went to
don't be
7.50.
greedy.
Yeah, don't be greedy. Yeah.
Okay.
Work hard, I guess.
Work hard?
I guess so.
Okay.
You know, we don't smoke, we don't drink. Drink very little.
Okay.
Always positive.
Always positive.
Always positive, yeah. Positive thoughts. Don't fight. Talk it out. Never kick somebody when they're down, right? I learned that a long time ago, right? If this guy can't pay the bill, right, you don't everybody has a time to grow, a time to pay bills, a time to go broke, a time to be rich, right? I haven't figured that out. I'm really not sure why we're here. Because while we're here, it's mainly work, right? That's what we were taught from kids, right? Parents worked hard, so you work hard. If you work hard, you get stuff, right?
That was 300 seconds of life-changing wisdom from Len. We learned a lot. The description box below will have all the main points, so let us know if you have any questions or ideas of who we're going to interview next. Thanks. Bye for now.
Thank you.